Parque Chapultepec. These enormous are 678 hectares is one of the largest urban parks in Latin America. It has pieces and representative monuments of the pre-Hispanic era, the visceral era, and modern Mexico. Its true lakes are frequent to walk in. What of this might attracted is the classical and royal house in America, for having been the residence of the Viceroy of New Spain.
Islas Mujeres located in the Caribbean Sea, by close to Yucatan Peninsula, southeast of Mexico. The island is part of one of the 11 municipalities of the state of Quintana Roo. The municipality of Isla Mujeres, white enclosed park on the mainland, and is located 13 kilometers from the city of Cancun, the main tourist of the region. The island was discovered by Francisco Hernandez de Cordovan expedition.
The monarch butterfly, the beautiful species with characteristic orange and black colors, has survived in North America thanks to a long resting trip that has Mexico as its arrival point. In Michoacán, it has two bird sanctuaries, the mountain of El Rosario and Sierra Chincua. Wildlife watchers manage to spot this curious insect that stays in Mexico between November and March. It is the insect that makes the longer migratory movement, traveling 4,000 kilometers to escape the harsh Canadian winter. Monarch butterflies in Michoacán.
Tulum is a city on the Caribbean coast of Mexico in the Yucatan Peninsula. It's known for its well-preserved ruins on ancient Mayan port. The main building is large stone structure called El Castillo, perched on the top rocky cliff above the key seen beaches and turquoise sea. Near the ruins, you will find the Tulum National Park and coastal area, with mangroves and cenotes. Tulum was walled city of the Mayan culture located in the state of Quintana Roo. In southeast Caribbean Sea, it is currently a great tourist attraction of the Riviera Maya, and next studies the modern town of the same name, Tulum.
Playa del Carmen. The River Maya in the Mexican Caribbean is one of the main world corridors of where tourism, and its heart is Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is the heart of one of the most important tourist areas in Mexico. The Mayan River being the most recognized destination for being a picturesque city that connects to Wilcom, Raufferis Park, and is surrounded with the Caribbean Sea. The mark is have the best beach to sunbathe and week.